With summer just around the corner, we are pleased to announce that our Beach is Calling album kit and card kit are both now available. You can pick these up on our website at g45papers.com and at your local G45 retailer. Beach is Calling card kit features two different styles that you're going to be learning with that easy to follow project sheet. We've got these Z-fold cards, and what both styles of cards have in common are the rub-on techniques and this great little framing idea that Carla Lavera has come up with. So that is the Z-fold style, and then we have this nice traditional style that opens up this way, and you can see that we've got the nice frame here with our rub-on on the inside. So with the project sheet, it will walk you through how to create these three gorgeous cards, and then with your leftovers you can see what you can create with these three other styles that Carla has created. The album kit features our brand new ivory binder album, and you can see it's been turned into this gorgeous masterpiece. So we have some nice dimension on the front, and then when you open this up, you're going to see a lot of fun is happening on the inside with some interactive details. So we've got these pocket divider pages here right up front with this fun technique that wraps around. We're going to be using those cut aparts to fill up all of these fun little pockets as well. You can see there's some great usage of those chipboard tags and frames, some fussy cutting, and then we can see with these interactive pages, Carla has really come up with some great ways to use those, and she's showing you three different styles for all three of these interactive horizontal opening pages. And then for the vertical opening pages, there's three different styles here as well. So a lot to learn with this kit, and really showing you how to maximize the use of your Graphic 45 papers and embellishments. So we'd love to hear what kind of photos you're going to be adding inside of this album, and let us know in the comments below. And let us know what are some of your favorite techniques Carla has used coming up with this gorgeous project. You can pick up both the album and the card kit on our website at g45papers.com or at your local G45 retailer. The album kit is going to come with this zip top Graphic 45 bag. You're going to get the Beach is Calling chipboard tags and ephemeras. There are 30 different pieces in there. The Beach is Calling 12 by 12 papers. You're going to get 16 different sheets, double-sided, and 2 of each. Our new cardstock stickers. Of course, the project sheet with step-by-step directions, teaching you how to create the gorgeous album. Antique jewel set. This comes in ivory and champagne, and you get 36 pieces in there. The new ivory album with the interactive pages, and this collector's edition Beach is Calling button that's going to go while supplies last. The Beach is Calling card kit comes with this cute "The Beach is My Happy Place" button. This will be great on a tote bag, or even take the little button off the back and you can glue this onto any of your paper crafting projects. It's going to come with the Beach is Calling ephemera assortment pieces. These are die cut pieces, and you get 56 of those. The Beach is Calling a rub-on transfer set. You get 2 sheets in there. The 8x8 collection pack. You get 3 of each of these sheets for a total of 24 sheets. These large A7 5x7 cards. These are in ivory, and you get 6 of those with 6 envelopes. And then, of course, the step-by-step project sheet and the zip top bag. So pick up the album kit and the card kit. But if you become a subscriber, a combo subscriber to both the album kit and the card kit, For a limited time, you're going to receive the silicone craft mat that you see here. This is a nice 24 inches by 16 inches. It's heat resistant and great for your paper crafting needs. So be sure to become a subscriber to take advantage of that wonderful perk. Subscribers also get their kits mailed to them automatically every time they're available, which is approximately every 6 weeks. And we come out with, for 2024, we'll be coming out with a total of 8 kits, one for each of our brand new paper collections. So right now we are shipping our Beach is Calling kits, and next up we'll be shipping our Sunshine on My Mind. Of course, you can't always just pick up the kits a la carte and create along with us. So go ahead, do that. And if you're looking for more great Graphic 45 inspiration, check out our YouTube channel and become a subscriber, and then hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a fun and fabulous video. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.